Good afternoon, everyone. We're back to another unboxing video. This time we have Battle War Kong, the monster battle sounds. Try me from the Monsterverse. This is from Playmates Toys, Legendary Toho from the Godzilla X Kong, the New Empire toy. Let's get a little close-up face of him. Look, there's Mr. Kong. And let's see what he sounds like a little faster before we start unboxing him. Back here, this in the box here. As a whole, like the rest of them, we've seen Godzilla, we've seen Scarface, and now we've seen Kong. Push here for battle sounds. Battle War Scar King, Battle War Godzilla Evolved, Battle War Kong, Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire, Godzilla and Kong returning all new adventure, pitting the mighty Kong. Sorry, I put extra words in there, and fearsome Godzilla, just a colossal, undiscovered threat hidden within our world, challenging their very existence in our own. Let's hear what Mr. Kong sounds like. Let's see what we get right here. Look at him, guys. He's pretty cool looking. Look at him, guys. So let's open him up and get him out of the package and see what we got going on here. So we're going to start, I'm going to flip him around like this, and we're going to start on the side and see how, get the top ones done first. There we go. Now let's do the side one here on his hip. Now all they got left is his feet. So we're going to do the same thing what we did for Scar King. We're going to bend him up a little bit. See if we can grab a hold of him. See if I can get a hold of that like that. I know, Kong, you don't like it. But we gotta get you out of here so we can battle. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna twist. Man, they just really in there. They take good care of how to get their stuff product not to fall out of boxes in these. Okay, let's see if we can. Well, yeah, I know, Con. I know. See if I can push. No, I can't push that out. So what we're gonna do is, there's a little opening right there by between his toes. See if I can. Well, that's not gonna work. Ah, there we go. If I do that, move him this way. Put you guys down a little more so you can see. Kind of pushing this out. Don't get his toes. There. Got one foot out, one foot open, free, and then the second one should come out easy. Come on, Kong. You're trapped. At least this ain't New York City this time. Okay. That one I did had to cut. Kong is free. What do you say about that, Kong? Before we go through him, chunks are were the last ones, and definitely Godzilla. Anyways, there's something else here I want to open for you guys. I'll show you guys. As the Scar King one. Sorry for the noise in the background. There's some still guests here. Let me open this one here. see if I can open this up. See, you can open up the box. Well, the tape is really good on this one for the other one. There we go. There's that one. So I'll show you guys this before you guys throw the box away not thinking or knowing what's in here. So, and then this little thing will pop up like here, like so. And the bottom here, you'll see a little piece of paper for the instructions manual for the new Kong you just got. This is for the new Empire. See, they're pretty much all the same. Godzilla has the same one. The Scar King has the same one. It's the same instructions, but telling you about the batteries and stuff. Okay, let's get this box out of here. Get the little chunks that fell off the deal. Still Godzilla skin everywhere. Here's Kong. About ready. He stands up perfect. Let's back him up a little bit so we can see his feet and everything. He stands up perfect. See his arms, just like Scar King, it don't go in. Just moves back and forth. His feet moves. Legs move. His feet don't move, just his legs. His head don't really move, so you gotta be careful because it's like an electronic thing. Only part of the deal move is here. Has a big beard on his hair. There's the scars from Godzilla left him in Godzilla vs. Kong, the last movie. There's the battery place, the hairy back. That's what he looks like from the. Come on, Kong. There we go. See, Kong ain't shot like Scar King. So that's Kong from the Battle War set. Battle War Kong. He's ready to fight battles and ready to go. Now he's ready to punch you. There's King Kong from Godzilla X Kong, the New Empire. See you in the next unboxing video.